Thank you for joining us once again on Z Connect. Well, the new reality show Asia Singing Superstar was a tremendous success, and all of us from ZTV want to thank you for contributing to the same. Of course, an endeavor of this sort requires a lot of hard work and dedication, and echoing the same thought with us is the host of the show and singer Shweta Pandit, who was a part of this entire experience. Let's talk to her. With me is Bollywood's prolific singer and the host for Asia Singing Superstar, Shweta Pandit. Shweta, welcome to Z Connect.
Thank you so much.
So this show is ZTV's first ever cross-country singing reality show. How has your experience been so far with it?
It's been quite a journey. We shot in Delhi and I heard some outstanding, incredible singers from across Asia. You just think of a place and we had such incredible talent, unbelievable talent. I've heard kids who were as young as 9 years old singing and belting it out and singing all heart on this show. It's been quite an experience. बहुत मज़ा आया और of course a lot of contestants came in from Dubai and Shafqat Amanat Ali Sahab is judging the Delhi and Shankar Mahadevan ji was along as the other judges for the show, and incredible talent on the show. I'm so proud, happy and honored to be part of it.
And of course you worked with talent that was from so many places, like you mentioned. How different was their grooming and how was it to see each of them sing and come out with their talent? I think there were singers from Dubai, Pakistan, India, right?
Oh yeah, actually there were a couple from Philippines as well.
Right.
So Dubai had Yasmina and Ian, and two really young kids. I really, they were so adorable. And there's Sneha Shankar, 9-year-old, and the way she was singing ghazals and Sufi, and I was completely bowled over. And Ehsan Khan was co-hosting with me. Right. That was a lot of fun as well. Mm-hmm. And actually it was amazing because we had these different cultures merging into each other. Mm-hmm. And we had Shafqat Amanat Ali Sahab doing the hosting from Pakistan, the judging from Pakistan side, and Shankar Mahadevan ji from India. So we had a great blend.
And how was the process of shooting? I believe you guys were shooting in Delhi for the show.
Yes, we shot for 20 days in Delhi. It was quite an experience because I was hearing some amazing music every day, every night. We were rehearsing, we were practicing, and I was getting to hear them live. And the way they take on this kind of a competition, it's quite it's such a charging moment, and it's high on adrenaline and stuff. So I can completely understand because you're with it and right. you're with them at that point of time. Right. And hosting it, of course, is a major understanding of what goes on inside their mind. Because some of the kids are really tense, some of them are worried, and kya hone wala hai? Do you know who's the winner? Like they come really to us. So I could completely understand what happens behind, but it's a very interesting. I was hosting for the first time, and it was quite a journey. I really enjoyed myself hosting, and Ehsan Khan was co-hosting actually.
Right.
So that was again a great blend of India and Pakistan.
Both of you were offering support to your singers, and
we were actually supporting each other's countries more than that, because it just became like that, some of the fantastic talents that we had from Pakistan. We had Mohammad Zubair. I remember him. He sang Qawwali, and he just stole my heart away. He got a standing ovation, and everyone just instantly got up from their seats the moment he finished the song. And I find so much of humility and so much of, they were so humble about it. Itni achhi harkatein, itni achhe, the way they were giving the little nuances here and there into such difficult compositions and very difficult songs.
Right.
But singing it with ease, singing it with all heart. So it's been quite a roller coaster of a journey, because you're going up and down with emotions. Because when you hear good music, it completely takes you on. Your soul is attached to it.
Well, it truly proves that music has no language and no religion. You guys got along really well.
Absolutely.
Any fun anecdotes or stories from the shoot that no one knows about yet?
There was a lot of fun we had. So backstage is where actually Ehsan and I were doing all the fun stuff because we were hosting for the first time.
Right.
So there were a lot of things that we don't really know what goes on, like
Right.
how you would probably know more, not me, but being on the frontal side when I'm called directly to sing, I've only seen that side.
Yeah.
So when they were like, "Nee, abhi upstage pe jaake, you have to say this," and I'll be like, "Why should I say that?" So then Ehsan would make fun of me, and he's like, "मोहतरमा आप सिर्फ आज गा नहीं रही हैं, आपने और भी कुछ करना है, आपने सबका हौसला अफजाई करनी है, ये करना है." I'm like, "Listen, don't give me the gyan now. I need
Is
to
that
know."
really how he speaks in like daily life? That's surprising.
I think the whole Urdu, the way it automatically
the
gives so much respect.
That's
You're like,
true.
okay, I'm filled with respect. I
poetic
feel
already.
so special. Yes. So it is like poetry. It's a beautiful language, and just hearing it, you're like, wow. Please keep talking. Please keep talking. So it's a beautiful language, and what I enjoyed the most was the cultural exchange.
Right.
I think it was unique. It was something that I don't know any other show has given me.
Well, Shweta, looks like you had an amazing time shooting for it, and I'm sure the audience watching it enjoyed it thoroughly as well.
Well, I really hope so. Well, I've heard that it's got a great TRP, and
It has.
it has, right? Okay, I'm right. So yeah, I'm so excited and happy and thankful that you all have enjoyed it so much, and Dubai especially, because I keep getting my Facebook and Twitter and all the people who are following this show regularly, they keep writing in
Right.
and letting me know how I did and how did I host. I'm not gonna sound pompous.
I'm sure it's
But-
all good things.
all the nice things I get to hear thanks to these mediums today on social media. And I hope I get to interact with all of you all more often, because of course this is a special trip to Dubai this
Right.
time, and I could get to see you all and thank you all personally by being here, because I love the responses that I got for Isha Singing Superstar. So I hope to keep
Well, we'll
getting
be
it
more
again.
than happy to see you again on the show. And thank you
Thank you.
so much, Shweta, for talking to us.
Thank you so much.
Well, it's time for a quick short break, but right after the break is a fashion show that you don't want to miss. So stay tuned to Z Connect. Thank you for joining us on Z Connect once again. Well, with the temperatures rising, it totally means that you'll have to give up your boots and warm clothes to welcome the summers that is around the corner. And of course, we'll help you do it fashionably. Recently, we were at the Splash Fashion Nexus fashion show, which gave us a sneak preview into the summer collection for 2016. While it was held at Atlantis in a grand style, just like they always do.